and trusting herself fully. And she knows that our Lord Jesus will look into that He will bring back her brother to her. We have Saint Mary also, who has chosen another path. She on the other hand, teaches us to be courageous and to be always listening to our Lord Jesus. We see her in the Gospel of Luke. She always sits at the feet of Jesus. And she teaches courage. Why? Because she has taken a position which is very, at that time, which went contrary to the norms of Jewish women. Now, only a student or a disciple of a rabbi would sit near his teacher, and that role was only preserved for men. And we see Mary sitting at the feet of her revered rabbi and listening to him, teaching us that we need to be in touch with our Lord Jesus. We need to listen to him. We need to listen to his voice.